The Maryland Food Bank sometimes sees a drop in donations this time of year, so troopers and civilian employees from the State Police Golden Ring Barrack have partnered with the food bank to launch a virtual food drive. Anyone can contribute. Rather than cleaning out your pantry, you just donate online. They've got the different options and food types, you see them right there, that the food bank right now needs the most. It's a virtual food drive that runs through July 20th. If you'd like to help, we're going to put that link up on our website, WMAR2news.com.